Alright, welcome. This is El Maestro. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang tinatawag na variation. Okay, or variation. Um, Medyo na-miss ko kayong lahat. It's been a while. Hindi tayo nakapag-upload. And I'm excited for this. So meron na naman tayong matutunang bagong lesson regarding sa mathematics. Okay? So again, if you're ready, paghanda na kayo. Okay, let's do this. But before anything else, let's define first what is a variation and pag-uusapan natin yung isang variation. Actually, may kasunod pa tong variation na to, pero for now, pag-uusapan natin muna yung isang klase ng variation. Okay? So, if you're ready, let's define variation. So, according to the definition or to this what is written here, there are real-world situation where two variables are related. So, importante ito, no? May dalawang variables na related sila to each other such that if one quantity increases or decreases, okay, think of it, pag isang quantity daw is tumaas or bumaba, the other quantity also increases or decreases. Okay? So, pwedeng bababa din or tataas yung isa. So, depending anong klase ng variation. Okay, in a specific ways. So in mathematics, this concept is called variation. Okay? So sa mathematics pala, yung pag may tumaas na isang bagay, normally maaapektuhan yung isang bagay, tataas rin. Or pwedeng pag tumaas yung isang bagay apektado, bababa siya. Let's say for example, yung pagtaas ng gasolina. Okay? So habang tumataas ang gasolina, napapansin natin na tumataas din yung mga pangunahing bilihin. Right? So, that is a form of a variation. But for now, yung pag-uusapan natin na variation is tinatawag na direct variation. So, paano natin malalaman pag ang isang bagay or isang variation ay direct variation? So, two quantities are in direct variation if first, the ratio between two quantities is constant. Okay? So, ang ratio ng dalawang quantity constant siya. So, this is very important, no? So, take note of this. Meron silang constant na may bagay na constant yung dalawa. Second, when one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. Okay? So, this kind of variation is tinatawag na direct variation. Pag yung isang quantity tumaas, yung isang quantity na apektado, tataas din. Okay? When one quantity decreases, the other quantity also decreases. So, the same thing. Pag tumaas siya, tumaas yung isa. Pag bababa naman yung isa, bababa din yung isa. So, this is direct variation or directly affected yung isang bagay. Okay? So, let's have an example. So, consider a motorist who drives along the Philippine-Japan Diversion Road at a constant speed of 60 km per hour. So, meaning, bumabaybay yung sasakyan sa diversion road, constant yung takbo niya, 60 km per hour. So, how far will he go in 2 hours, in 5 hours, and in 3 hours? O, habang tumatagal yung oras. Let's say, for example, ito yung sasakyan. So, may constant speed siya. Constant yung takbo niya, 60 km per hour. So, bumabaybay ng Japan Diversion Road, Philippine-Japan Diversion Road. So, after an hour, meron siyang na-travel. Okay? So, which is 60 km. Kasi every 1 hour, 60 kilometers yung maabot niya. So, meaning, pag tumakbo pa siya for another hour, okay? So, magiging 2 hours na yung takbo niya in total. So, in total din, tumaas din yung number of kilometers na tinakbo niya. Nakuha nyo? So, habang tumataas yung oras ng takbo, tumataas din yung kilometers na natatravel ng sasakyan. With that said, if makita natin dito sa table, if you can see at the table, tingnan natin, according sa definition sa direct variation, pag tumaas yung isang bagay, normally tataas din yung isang bagay. So tingnan natin, habang bumabaybay siya in an hour, 60 kilometers yung distance na travel niya. So habang tumataas yung hours, tumataas din yung total distance na travel niya. You see? So dito, yung 60 na na-travel niya times 2 naging 120, and here times 3 since 3 hours na until 60 times 3. So 60 hanggang ilang oras yung biyahe mo. Ito yung relationship ngayon ng direct variation. So habang tumataas yung biyahe mo, tumataas din yung distance ng travel. Okay? So that is direct variation. Or it could also be habang bumababa yung biyahe mo or habang bumababa yung isang bagay, bumababa din yung apektadong bagay na related sa kanya. Okay? So these are just an illustration or example what is a direct variation. Okay. So let's just have this. So also, if the ratio of two quantities is constant, the two quantities are direct variation. Okay? Itong pinaka-importante, constant, meron silang two quantities, okay? Ratio ng dalawang bagay is constant. Okay? So this is just the illustration. In proportion, 3 over 8 is equal to 6 over 8, or 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 8. Okay? So this is the mean, the outer is the extremes. Okay? So this is just an illustration, but later on we will have an example. Okay? Let's skip to that, and we will have an example. Okay? So it is very important kung paano natin i-translate ang isang statement into an equation. Okay? So masasabi natin na direct variation siya pag meron tayong mga bagay na babantayan. Una, yan. Pag sinabi niyang varies directly, meaning direct variation yan. Okay? So pag ginawa natin yan, tingnan nyo, z, so that is z, varies directly, so lalagyan niyang equal, then as y. If mapansin nyo, meron tayong k. Okay? This k now is the constant of the variation, yung tinatawag natin kanina. Okay? Ratio, constant ratio nilang dalawa. So lalagyan nyo yan as y. So meaning z varies directly as y, or varies directly, okay, as quantity q. Minsan ganyan. Okay? P varies directly as quantity q. Okay? Pag may nakita kayong varies directly or directly proportional, pwede that is a direct variation. Okay? So tingnan nyo, P varies directly, so that is P is equal to Q as quantity Q. Nakuha nyo? So ganito lang gumawa ng equation galing sa statement. And this is very important. Okay? As you can see, the equation, there is K, which is the constant variation. So hindi pwedeng Z is equal to Y. No. Hindi na siya direct variation. So ang gagawin natin, dapat merong constant K. If you will ask, sir, K lang ba talaga yan? Actually, you can represent that one any letters, but for now, gagamitin natin is K. Okay, for the constant variation. Nakuha? So we will use this letter for the constant variation, letter K. Okay, that is Z is equal to KY, and now we have P is equal to KQ. Let's have an example. If Y varies directly, if mapansin nyo, meron siyang word na varies directly. So meaning, that is direct variation. As X and Y. Okay? So Y is equal to 12 when X is 4. Find Y when X is 12. So paano gagawin yan? Una, itra-translate natin tong Y varies as directly as X into equation. So the same thing here, sabi niya Y varies directly, so meaning, that is Y varies directly, that is equal to, lalagyan natin ng K ngayon, as directly to X, di ba? Y varies directly as X. Okay? So, ganyan. So, ito na yung equation ng ating problem. So, importante makagawa tayo ng equation. So, first thing that you're going to do is you have to solve for K. Given, meron tayong given. Okay, we have to substitute Y and 12. Kasi ito yung unang given niya. Sabi niya, Kapag si y daw ay 12, si x is 4. So, hahanapin daw natin ngayon si y kung si x na naman ay 12. So, since meron silang constant variation hindi given, isa-substitute muna natin yan. So, we will have y is equal to kx, itong equation. Let's substitute the given. Okay? 12 is our y. X is 4. So, since we're solving for x, so i-divide natin yan both sides by 4. Okay? So that, makancel natin yan. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, matitira is k. So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So, 3 is equal to k or k is equal to 3. So, this time, na-solve na natin yung constant natin. So, magiging equation natin ngayon is y is equal to 3x. Kasi yung k natin is 3. So, since that is constant, it will never change for this problem. Okay? So, now, we're going to solve y. Isosolve na natin ngayon si y kung yung x daw niya is 12. So, same equation. Isa-substitute natin ngayon. So, y is equal to 3, which is our constant k, times 12. So, y now is equal to 36. So, ganun lang mag-solve ng direct variation. Okay? So, let's have the different scenarios. Okay? Different scenarios in solving direct variation. Actually, yung kanina na solve natin, isa na yun sa mga scenarios na pwede nating ma-encounter when solving a variation. But first, we will have this. Okay? The problem states here that the given that y varies directly as x with a constant variation k is equal to 13. So, this time, given yung constant variation, pinapahanap lang sa atin ngayon yung value ng ating y kapag si x is 12. So, first thing is, gagawa natin siya ng equation. Okay? The equation says here that given that y varies directly. So, meaning that is, y is equal to, varies directly, lagyan natin ng constant as x. So, ito na yung magiging equation natin. Then, this time, lalagay na natin yung mga given ng problem. Ano yung mga given? So, we have k is equal to 13. We have x is equal to 12. And we are looking for the value of our y. Okay? So, after this, isa-substitute na natin ngayon dito sa equation natin. Ito yung na-create natin na equation from this statement. That is why very important, alam natin mag-translate ng statement into equation. Okay? So, sa-substitute natin ngayon with this equation. So, substitute the given. Y is equal to, ano yung k natin? K is 13. So, lalagay natin dyan. And now, our x is 12. Lalagay natin dyan. So, that is 13 times 12. Y is equal to 156. Therefore, y is equal to 156 when our k is 13 and our x is equal to 12. So, that is the first scenario. The second scenario here is, let's say for example, given that y varies directly as x, find the constant of variation if y is equal to 24 and x is equal to 3. So, this time, pinapahanap sa atin yung constant of variation. Again, given this, ito itatranslate na naman natin into mathematical equation. So, sabi niya, y varies directly, okay, lagyan natin ng constant, as x. Okay? Ano yung given? Y is equal to 24 and x is equal to 3 and pinapahanap sa atin ngayon yung value ng k. So, with that, solution, use this same equation. So, y is equal to k, x, again, same sa ginawa natin earlier. Sa-substitute natin ngayon yung 24 as our value of y, ito. So, that is 24 is equal to k. So, now, x, which is 3. So, makita nyo, nasa baba ngayon yung hindi ko nilagay dito because since we're solving for k, i-divide natin yan ngayon, both sides by 3. Kuha? So, dividing both sides by 3. So, that is 24 divided by 3 is 8 equal to 3 divided by 3, this one, 1 yan, so matitira is k. So meaning 8 is equal to k, or k, our constant now is equal to 8. Okay, so therefore, k is equal to 8 when y is equal to 24 and x is equal to 3. So ito yung scenario wherein pinapahanap sa atin yung value ng constant. Another scenario is, ito yung pinakaunang ginawa natin nung nag-example tayo. Okay, so sabi na naman dito, suppose y varies directly. Okay, again, take note, sinabi dito varies directly. So meaning, y varies directly, lagyan natin ng k, equal k to x. Okay, then, merong given, na si y daw is 30, kung si x is 6. Okay? Find y, hahanapin natin ngayon yung y kapag si x naman is 100. Okay? So, pag isa-substitute natin tong dalawa dito, hindi natin masasolve kasi wala pa tayong value ng k. Since alam na natin paano mag-solve ng value ng k, which is yun yung ginawa natin earlier, so we will solve for k. So, pinakaunang gagawin natin is isosolve natin si k if kailangan. So, y is equal to kx. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na formula to solve for k. And this is the given na gagamitin natin para to solve for k. Sa substitute natin ngayon si 30 sa y natin and si 6 sa x. So, 30 is equal to k 6. Okay? So, na-substitute na natin, mas-solve na natin ngayon si k. So, ibababa lang natin yung equal natin because i-divide natin ngayon this equation by 6. So that, pag dinivide natin ngayon, 30 divided 6 and also 6 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Okay? And equal to 6 divided by 6 is 1, or we will have k. Or k is equal to 5. So, na-solve na natin yung value ng ating k. So, solve now for the value of y when x is equal to 100. Okay, y is equal to kx. Y is equal to, yung k natin is 5, right? Lalagay natin, and value of our x is 100. Okay? So, ito yung magiging equation natin. Okay? Habang tumataas yung value ng x natin, pwede nating isa-substitute dyan. Tataas din yung value ng y natin. But for now, we're only asked to find the value of your y if our x is 100. So, isa-substitute na natin yan ngayon. Y is equal to 5 times 100. So, y is equal to 500. Okay, so this is now the answer. So, y is 500 if x is 100. Okay? So, pag x is 200, so si y naman natin tataas na naman. Okay? Ganyan lang. Okay? So, next. Last scenario. Oh, actually, this is a different way of creating statement into equation. So, babantayan natin, tignan natin ngayon. Basahin natin yung problem. X is indirect variation with square of y. Tingnan nyo, sabi niya with square of y. Kanina, x or y is direct variation. This one, baliktad. Si x na ngayon, ang direct variation ni square of y. Okay? So, paano natin gagawa niya ng equation? So, meaning x is indirect variation equal to k, and sabi niya dito, square of y, or that is y squared. So, not all the time, x and y lang yan. So, babantayan natin ngayon yung statement na nandito. Since sabi niya, x is indirect variation of square of y, so meaning that is x is equal to k y squared. Okay? So, kaya sabi ko, importante alam natin, pag-transform ng statement, gagawin nating equation. So, ito na yung magiging equation natin in solving. So, lagay natin yung given, x is equal to 4, so y is 3. Okay? Then, we have to find the value of your x when y is 6. So, since we're looking for that, solve muna natin yung k. So, alam na natin mag-solve ng k, sa-substitute natin yung mga value ng mga variable natin from this equation. Okay? So, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So, lalagay natin ngayon, 4 is equal to k 3 squared. Since yung y natin 3, naka-squared, so 3 squared. So, 4 is equal to k times 9. Again, solving for k, i-divide natin ngayon yung equation natin both sides by 9. Okay. So, this time, 4 divided by 9. So, hindi na natin ma-divide yan, no? So, we will leave it as a fraction. So, that is 4 over 9 is equal to k. Or k is equal to 4 over 9. So, okay lang yan. Kahit fraction yung k natin. Okay? If gagawin yung decimal, it's still okay. For this video, I will use the fraction form. So, solve now for x when y is 6. Okay? So, hanapin na natin yung value ni x kung si y is 6. X is equal to k y squared. Ito yung equation na nakuha natin from this. Okay? So, substitute natin yung mga values ng k and y. So, k natin is 4 over 9. Y natin is 6. So, that is 6 squared. So, what is 6 squared? That is equal to 36. So, that is x is equal to 4 over 9 times 36. So, this time, you multiply 36 by 4. 36 divided by 4, that is equal to 144. So, x is equal to 144 divided by 9. So, 144 divided by 9 is equal to 16. Okay? So, this is now our answer. Meaning, kapag, tingnan nyo, si 4 natin is 3, x natin is 4 and y is 3. And here, tumaas si y, right? From 3, tumaas si y. So, dapat tataas din yung x natin. So, tingnan nyo, from 4, naging 16 siya. So, direct variation. So, habang tumataas si x, tumataas din si y. Okay? So, this is a variation, one example of variation, which is the direct variation. Okay? Guys, thank you for watching. If you have questions, comment down below, PM. Okay? You can put your comments in the comment section, and I would really, really love to answer all your questions regarding this topic. And if you have any suggestion, topics na gusto nyong pag-usapan natin, I would really, really love to make a video, to make one for you. Okay? But for now, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share my channel and click the notification bell button para updated kayo pag may bago tayong ipopost. Again, God bless you all. This is El Maestro. Goodbye.